Hey everyone, Alex is here from Leaderfins, and starting from today, we're going to be releasing a series of videos about Leaderfins products. The idea of these videos is to get you guys familiar with what Leaderfins has to offer, main features of the product and customization options. So without further ado, let's get to it. This first video is going to be about unboxing, and I'm pretty sure that all of you know how to open a box, but just a small tip here. Please be careful when opening a box with a sharp knife or any other object of your choosing. A small cut on the surface of the tape is more than enough. Please make sure that you do not cut too deep, or otherwise you may damage the product inside. And to demonstrate, just like this, small cut is enough. And the most dangerous part, and all good. So let's see what's inside. Here we have a pair of blue camo fins. Each fin is packed inside a fancy bag like this. Also inside, we have 4 spare clips, just in case you lose the ones already installed. And these clips attach the wings of the foot pockets to the blade. Let's take a closer look at the fin. Nice and clean looking, handmade fin. In fact, all of our fins are handmade. At the front, you can see a Leaderfins logo sticker. And at the back, right next to the foot pocket, you can see a QR code sticker and a blade stiffness sticker. This one is medium. Also, you can see a foot pocket size mark over here. A couple of words about the QR code sticker. You can scan the QR code with your phone. The app will then transfer you to a counterfecheck.com website. There, you click verify and should get a message saying valid serial number. As easy as that. There are lots of free scanners available for iOS and Android, so there shouldn't be a problem finding one. As there are some fake copies of Leaderfins products available on the market, and we have been contacted regarding the bad quality of these products, in order to protect our customers, we decided to implement a QR code system. This system is working since October 2019, so all the fins and blades that you order from the official Leaderfins website, leaderfins.com, should have a QR code sticker on them. A small note, when you receive a package, make sure that you check it for damage. If the damage is detected, open the package in the presence of the postal employee. In the event of damage to the product, the postal employee is obliged to draw up a statement and sign it. Also, please contact info@leaderfins.com with your order number and photos of the damaged product. For example, if you receive a package with a dent like this, we advise you to check the condition of the items inside in the presence of the postal employee. And that concludes the unboxing video. If you liked it, please click that like button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.